Hello everyone. I'm sorry for not being here today. Luckily we're in 2016, so I could solve this problem in other ways. And right now you should be seeing the two infographics that I have done. If we begin with the left side, you should see the blue one, which should be providing like the economical value of visitors from an overall perspective, where my audience here is residents or relocated residents. So I mean those who are new to these areas, such as the Sarasota and Montana counties. So the idea is to give information like in general, in one whole year, how much, for example, visitor trips do they have, which are the most popular ones, what type of trips are the most popular ones. Here we see it's about 60%. So I wanted to do it in percentage just to dimension it, instead of just using one number. And I also provide other spendings which visitors always have that are not just trips. It could be food, shopping, other things. And in this case, I demonstrate that about 37% with accommodation is the biggest spendings, and then we have restaurants, and then we have groceries. As it is the biggest percentage, accommodation, I also highlight the top 4 ones. If we go further into the colors I have chosen, it's colors like blue, green, orange, because these colors are bright colors, as our project also, they wanted us to use some bright colors, or recommended that. But besides from that, it's also colors that the main residents will be seeing when they are in Sarasota or Montana, which are colors close to nature. Also, the picture I've chosen is from an overall perspective, and I think it's a good way of also like showing that it will be the data I will be providing here, like a more overall data in a complete year, the economic value. Then if we go further to the green one, which is on the right side, we have more specific data here. I try to reach another audience here, which will be the main visitor. The colors is still kind of the same, green, orange, because it's close to nature. The picture is more specific of, for example, one trip you can do, to also try to highlight that this will be providing more specific data. But the visitors here will be able to see not exactly, but understand how much spendings they will be having in each trip that they choose. So for example, how much a day trip can cost, how much a overnight trip can cost, and if they want to know in all the spendings they will be having, like in percentage, how much will go to, for example, accommodation, which here I provided as 44%. I also try to use the same icons in both infographics to try to connect information between them, as you see, and also give an overall perspective, like one person, how much trips they can choose, so 6 days trips, and why overnight is in an advantage of how much one person will take in 1 year. So this is more specific data. Besides from that, I'm trying to use Sarasota Bay label, the same one as all my teams, so we can be as uniform as possible, and also try to use kind of the same text fonts. So this is it.